thousands of dollars. Let's explore 5 actionable strategies to generate video ideas that your viewers actually want to see. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip to supercharge your brainstorming process. Let's dive in. Creating engaging YouTube content requires consistent brainstorming of fresh video ideas that capture your audience's attention. Here is how you can generate video topics that resonate with viewers and keep them coming back for more. So, number 1, your YouTube comments. Check your YouTube comments to see if people are asking questions. If it's a quick and easy answer, you can simply respond, but sometimes it's not that simple. In those cases, you could create an entire video answering that person's question. Now let's say you're posting videos, but aren't getting many interaction. Make sure to encourage your audience during the video. Ask them to comment below with any questions they might have. For example, you could say, "Hey, if you have a question you'd like us to answer, let us know in the comments below." See? It's that easy. Now, I'm going to get some questions that I can hopefully turn into videos for you guys next. Maybe you've just started out on YouTube and aren't getting any views or comments yet? What you can do is visit other people's YouTube channels and check their comment sections. Obviously, you'll want to stay within your niche so you can find questions you're equipped to answer. For instance, suppose you have a basketball channel. You can visit other basketball YouTube channels and scroll through their videos' comments. What you'll likely see are people asking questions about topics like shooting form or dribbling drills. You can use those comments to come up with ideas for content to create for your own channel. Next, it's YouTube search. This is a big one, and it works on both desktop and mobile. Suppose you want to learn about cameras and lenses. You could go to YouTube search and type in best camera. You'll notice that YouTube auto-predicts what I'm going to type next. These predictions are based on other people's search results, so we already know a lot of people are looking for these topics. That means these keywords are great to target. This method works in any niche. You just need to input terms related to your own niche and hit the space bar to see what YouTube predicts. If you experiment with different combinations of words, you'll generate tons of content ideas. Another tip is to use an underscore followed by the spacebar before your search term. This trick will show you additional auto-predictions, often revealing what people are searching for before that word. Besides this, you can also use YouTube SEO Chrome extensions like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Personally, I use vidIQ, so I'll show you how to find keywords for your YouTube videos using that extension. All you need to do is search for one of your potential keywords on YouTube. vidIQ will display an overall score that factors in the number of searches and the competition. The higher the score, the better the keyword. Number 4 is drawing inspiration from other creators. You probably already follow other YouTubers in your niche. In case you don't, you definitely should. Watching what others are doing can often spark ideas for your own videos. Now, I'm not saying you should copy anyone's content. What I'm suggesting is to take inspiration and make it your own. For instance, if you're in the fitness niche and you see a lot of creators posting popular at-home workout videos, you should consider creating your own version and uploading it to your channel. This method involves using the YouTube search bar again, but this time to find the most viewed videos from the past 30 days. Let's say you're posting thumbnail design videos on your channel. Here's what you need to do. Go to YouTube, type thumbnail design tips into the search bar, and hit search. Click on the filters option. Under filters, select view count, and then choose this month. Once you apply these filters, YouTube will perform a new search and display the most viewed videos from the past 30 days. This is an excellent way to identify trends in your industry and discover videos that have performed well recently. For example, in the thumbnail design niche, one popular trend is the thumbnail hacks format. You can see lots of results here. If you're looking for even more ideas, check this video where I share top 5 video ideas you can start creating on YouTube today. Congrats! You now have 5 ways to come up with an engaging idea. But there is something I want to remind you. There is a difference between taking inspiration from successful channels and straight up replicating them. And copying others can be a shortcut to failure. It not only makes your content blend into the sea of similar videos, but also prevents you from building a unique brand. How to avoid this? Here's my method. Let's be real. The internet is packed with YouTube videos on every imaginable topic. But here's the good news. There's only one you. One of the best ways to avoid copying other creators is to take inspiration and add your unique twist. Watch what's trending, but don't hit the copy-paste button. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do differently? How would I explain this in my own voice? Can I add a unique visual style, tone, or idea to this concept? Answering these questions can help you build authenticity, which is what audiences love and want to see. Think of yourself as an inventor piecing together parts from different machines to create something entirely new. Let's say you love travel vlogs, but you also enjoy DIY crafts. Instead of sticking to one lane, why not combine the two into something like how to create souvenirs from your travel adventures? This kind of content not only stands out, but also appeals to two different audiences at once. So the next time you're brainstorming, think like a blender. Toss in different ideas, mix them up, and let your creativity shine. The result? Videos that not only stand out, but leave your audience coming back for more. The beauty of experimenting with original ideas is that there are no rules. You don't have to worry about fitting into a trend or following a certain format. I know experimenting can feel risky. Not every idea will be a hit, and that's okay. The goal isn't to go viral with every upload, but to discover what works for you. So, there you have it. Several ways to find viral video ideas for your channel. Remember, YouTube is a platform for self-expression and creativity. Don't let your channel blend in with the rest, and get started today. Your next big video could be just one idea away. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.